The wait is finally over. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel FID3 brushless impact driver is here. This is a direct upgrade on the previous FID2 model, and we're seeing improvements in both power and quality of life. This new model has a faster driving speed, being able to drive up to 3,900 RPM, and it also continues Milwaukee's tradition of offering maximum power with up to 226 Newton meters of torque. And all of this power is actually being compressed into a smaller tool than the FID2. This compact FID3 model is only 113mm long, so you'll be able to use this in tight spaces. Milwaukee are giving you maximum versatility with this tool. Their drive control lets you shift into 4 different speed and torque settings to let you get the most out of this impact driver in any application. Mode 1 is for precision work. Mode 2 helps prevent damage to fasteners and material. Mode 3 delivers maximum performance for the toughest applications. And Mode 4 is the optimum between precision work and maximum performance, and so it automatically adjusts speed, impact and torque. We're seeing more and more tools under the Fuel line, but a lot of people don't actually know what Fuel is. And essentially this is a combination of Milwaukee's latest and greatest technology, and this includes a brushless power state motor, which is designed to give you years of maintenance-free runtime. This also features the patented Red Link technology, which is a way for the tool to communicate with the battery, and this prevents both overloading and overheating. So if you're looking to get your hands on the best that Milwaukee currently has to offer, then get your hands on this, the FID3 brushless impact driver, and it's available now at its.co.uk.